Did you know our Autobahn Clear Bra carries a lifetime warranty, which also has a no-fault option built in? Let me tell you about it. Our Incognito paint protection film is backed by a lifetime limited warranty against yellowing, cracking, and fading. And our film has a no-fault warranty built in, which means if you're the original purchaser of this Incognito paint protection film, if you ever experience accidental damage to your film, you may exercise a one-time no-fault warranty option. The no-fault warranty option gives you $250 retail value towards the replacement of the damaged material. If, for example, you got a rock chip that damaged the PPF on your front bumper, you could get $250 retail value towards the replacement of the PPF on that panel. So are you ready to get your car protected by an industry-leading lifetime warranty film? Give us a call today.